So this video will be going over the knee model. It'll be an updated video because some changes have been made, and let's get right into it. This is an 04 Chevy Suburban. It's a half-ton. Has really low miles at 154, and we bought it a while back, and the owner that we bought it from was the second owner, and they had it since I think 05. So you know, these are good ones to find for sure. It's nice having you know, less owners for the most part, but it doesn't mean everything, trust me. I've passed on plenty of original owner vehicles. You just never know. It doesn't just give it this golden, you know, blanket of, oh, it's a nice vehicle. So, but this, you know, just like every other vehicle, you know, we checked it all out. We've done the fuel pump on this one, you know, and then all the other typical, you know, shocks, the Bilstein 5100s, lift, Moog HD coils, new tires, these fog lights in the front, fluids, tune-up, fuel filter, all that stuff. So all of that's been checked, changed, and you know, the brakes are checked, and it was detailed and waxed and everything. These are 285 75 16. AKA 33-inch tire. It's a General Grabber ATX. And let's kind of do a walk around. Again, this is pretty typical. This paint really came out nice, just like, you know, most of them, or all of our vehicles. You know, sometimes we'll get a vehicle with, you know, faded paint maybe on the hood or something like that, and we'll leave it up to the client. We'll give them a discount if they just want to keep it like that, or we'll have it repainted. So that's also an option. Here's a quick look at the engine. This is the 5.3 liter V8. Not much you can say. These things are awesome. I mean, just look at threads, look at reviews, look at consumer reviews. Take my word for it, whatever you want to do. You know, these are awesome. They really go the distance. Enough power. Definitely, they are very economical for what you get. And this is number 66, and this is a hatch model. So there's that. We usually replace all of these window shocks because they're no good by the time we get them. So that's a cool feature with the hatch. You can open up that back window, and then this opens up into the rear section. Now this is a knee model, and I'll do a quick overview of what a knee is. It comes with this bed platform, you know, shown in other videos. And you just pull out. It's a full-length platform, a full-length drawer. And this platform butts up against that second row seat. This is a 5-seater, and we'll kind of go more into seating options here too. I have a separate video on that also. But the knee model comes with a platform, a mattress, comes with window inserts that go on these big back windows, the front ones, the rear hatch, and it comes with a front curtain also. And it also comes with the electrical setup that we can get into here. So here I am at the, you know, the front of the vehicle. This is the Dometic CFX 28 fridge that we use in all of our builds. It sits nicely in between the two seats where the console was. And then here is the Yeti 1000 from Goal Zero. Kind of hard to see in there, but that's how it's all connected. So this box is running the fridge and any of the accessories that the clients decide to plug in, because it has a 1500 watt inverter, and it's powered by a solar panel, which is connected right there, 100 watt solar panel up top, or you can plug it into like a cigarette 12 volt socket there. So as you're driving, it can charge on both. Both these are strapped down with these NRS straps. Very durable straps, and they're in there. So again, that's the Goal Zero Yeti 1000. It's a 100 amp hour lithium battery. So the same capacity that we used to do. And then you got the fridge. And then this is the 5-passenger. So these rear seats do fold up. It's a really cool system. So that goes like that. And then there's that just folds down. Bam. And then we can access the drawers. So let me get this seat down. So this is how you extend the platform, is pull this out. There is an insert right there, just slides in there. That's the end product, and that goes down, and so that's a full mattress that's 75 inches long. So the platform is actually a little bit longer than that, and you can obviously do both sides. This is nice because you can access storage. You can access storage from inside the vehicle if you fold down these seats, and it works out pretty well. This is a new thing that we started doing. These are just locks, so you put a lock over that, and they're good to go. Now, most knee models don't have a ceiling fan, but these clients opted to do that as an add-on. So we can install these into the existing headliner. So in the knee model, or even, for example, maybe like you get a base model and you want a fan, and you can kind of customize the build. So that's also an option. But this has the fan, along with the Goal Zero and fridge. So there's kind of a summary of what's inside as far as electrical. As far as roof setup, this has the normal roof setup like many of our other builds. Solar shower right here. Then it has the Renogy 100 watt panel. Basket rack. And then, like I just mentioned, this particular one came with they added the fan onto the knee model. So let's talk seating here a little bit. I'm in the passenger seat in the front here. There's obviously the driver, and then you can kind of see what's going on. This has the full bench seat in the back, so it's a 5-passenger. This is nice for, I think these clients actually, they have a dog. They're a couple and they have a dog, and then they have friends that go, on road trips with them or camping or whatever. And so this setup is pretty nice. You can fit 5 people pretty comfortably, or 4 people and a dog, or 5 people and a dog on the back bed. And then you can have all your, gear up top, or, beneath the drawers. And you still have the privacy because of the the curtains and everything. So this is a good setup for a couple, or whoever, and then you can bring your friends along if needed. But if you're living in it full time, a 5-passenger probably isn't ideal for most people, just because of the needed space. And I'll go over pricing now. So here's an overview of pricing of the knee model. This top section is from 96 to 06. Again, we can do older and newer vehicles that I'll go over here with the newer section down below. But older, like the square bodies in the 80s and early 90s, we can do those too. This 96 to 06 is just more of a common build that we do. It is a premium for the older vehicles. Our most common is 2000 to 2006. So here's the knee model starts at $8,900 and goes up to $12,900 depending on mileage. And then the 07 to 11 models, and keep in mind these are all half-ton four-wheel drive Suburbans or Yukon XLs. So 07 to 11 starts at $12,900 with that mileage range and goes up to $15,900. This concludes the tour of this knee model behind me. If you guys have any questions or suggestions for types of videos and everything, let me know. But this gives a good overview of what we have to offer as far as models go. This was an updated video. I did a tour of an older knee model about a year ago, I want to say. So the main differences are the Gold Zero, the electrical setup. We're using Gold Zero now. And we also have stopped using the rubber flooring. And so we use the original carpet and just give it a good cleaning and everything so it's ready to go. So those are the two main differences from the older video. And the price has also changed. It is a little bit less since we started doing those two things. So we like to keep our prices really affordable and pass on the price, pass on the savings to our clients. That's the most important to us. Our clients are number one, and we like to keep them happy. So thanks again, and feel free to subscribe and everything on this channel, and follow all of our other social media platforms. And hope you have a good one.